Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing Valentine's gift and home decor using Dollar Tree's $1.25 items. You'll be amazed at how much you can do with just a few dollars. So let's get started. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. If you see them, pick them up because I only found these two. I'm going to show you how easy it is just to dress them up. You really don't have to do much, just add some flowers and you're good to go. For this white one here, I'm going to add these green leaves that I cut off from a bouquet. And then I'm going to add these roses, and these are from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack. The roses are not real, they're made out of foam. And I'm just going to hot glue them there to the side of the heart, and there you go. And for this heart, I'm going to add these Walmart roses. You can find them right now. They're 97 cents. This is a really good deal. So all I'm going to do is just cut the stem off from these two roses and then just hot glue them to the side of the heart, just like I did with the first one. For this project, you're going to need a Dollar Tree glass mug just like this one. I'm going to be using this Walmart brown candle, and I'm going to melt it down and then I'm going to pour it into my mug. Now this is from a previous fall DIY, and that's why it has little bits of faux marshmallows. I'm gonna take those out and I'm only gonna use the mug. That's why it still has a little wick on there, and that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is fill it up with some of this joint compound, and I'll be using a Dollar Tree cake decoration kit to fill up my mug. So I'm just gonna fill up the bag with the compound and then just squeeze in the compound into my mug. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit hard getting the compound out. I think I should have mixed a little bit of water in there, but anyhow, I got it done. And this is how it turned out. The compound is pink, but then once it dries, it turns white. Now for sprinkles, I'll be using these glass beads, and these are also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this paper straw, I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to place it in my mug. I'll be using this small pom-pom as the cherry, and I'm just going to place it on top of my latte. Now to showcase my faux latte, I'm going to be creating a riser for it. So I'll be using this beaded plaque from Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. It's a very nice wooden plaque. For the legs, I'll be using these wood-shaped snowmen, and these I got them back when the Christmas items were out at Dollar Tree. So it comes in a pack of 8. They work great for little legs. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and hot glue my little miniature snowman on the back of my plaque. I'll just add some hot glue and then just glue them on there. Right now I'm just trying to place them where I want them to be. It literally took just one step, and now I have this nice riser. Let me show you how easy it is to create this giant ring using all Dollar Tree items. You're going to need 2 of these Dollar Tree colored bowls. I wanted pink, they didn't have them, so I opt for this red one. They're $1.25. And you'll also need 1 plastic plate, and these come in a pack of 4. These are also from Dollar Tree. And a round foam wreath that's 9.8 inches. I'll be using this white acrylic paint from Apple Barrel to paint my round foam. Now once the paint dries, you're going to want to cut your foam as I'm showing you right there, because you're going to need it to have a flat surface so that you can hot glue the plate on top so that it can sit correctly. You'll need a flat surface where you're able to hot glue the plate on top. The glue was so hot that it burned a hole in my plate. I'm gonna add some more hot glue to the top of my plate, and then I'm gonna place my red bowl over it. And to make this a gift DIY, I'm gonna add this little stuffed latte mug that's from Dollar Tree, a candy, and also these Tootsie Pops that I just kind of put together and put them in the bowl. I didn't have too many candies, so I just wanted something to fill the bowl with, and these are the items that I'll be using. I'm gonna use the other bowl and put it on top of the bowl as I'm doing right there, and then it's gonna form like a stone, like a red ruby or something. I also added some tape there on the side to attach both bowls together. I did not want to hot glue them because I have those little treats inside. If you wanted not to have anything inside, you could hot glue the bowls together. And so, my friend, this is how you create a giant ring. Let me know what you think. For this project, I'm going to use this plant cloche from Dollar Tree as well. And although this is meant for a plant, I'm going to turn this into a gift globe, if you will. Let me show you how. For the base, I will be using this plastic plate, also from Dollar Tree. And a few items that I'll be filling it with is some stuffed animals and some candies. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove this big sticker, and then once I do that, I'm going to add these word stickers that I made that says "Be My Valentine." I made mine on my Cricut, but you can also get some Dollar Tree letter stickers and spell out whatever you want. I'm going to use this Dollar Tree ribbon to create a bow and put it up at the top. To create the bow, I'm going to loop my ribbon several times. I think I did it about 4 or 5 times. And then I'm going to cut a slit on each side. I'll also use a wire in the center and then fluff out my bow. And then I'll cut another piece for the tail, give it a twist in the center, and then attach it to my bow. And now I'm going to place it up at the top. I'm going to use this thick 2-sided tape to tape down my teddy bear. I'm also going to add this felt heart and then just add some candies and also some Tootsie Rolls. And now I'll be adding the cloche, and what I'll do is tape it down on each side. Well, my friends, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.